how to automatically send thousands of personalized cold emails to decision makers with AI so that you can book 10 to 20 extra qualified calls per month for your business. And you don't need to hire new full-time SDRs, you don't need to do tedious work, you just let the AI run and work it automatically. Okay, so for the purpose of this demo, this is the example we are using. The service is lead nurturing service. It's helping people nurture their leads, get more deals, and so on. The ICP is tech companies with 11 to 50 employees from the United Kingdom. The job titles that we are looking for are CEOs and VP of sales, ideally CEOs. In this case, we are gonna call this campaign 1150 CEO UK 9 sample, and we are gonna use a USP prompt. You'll see in a moment what does it mean, but it basically combines the service plus the USP of the company that we are gonna reach out to in a sentence together to show them the benefits of using this service of lead nurturing. So let's see how it works. So I'm here on LinkedIn Jobs. I'm in United Kingdom sales, and I see all these jobs. I want to scrape them, of course. I'm gonna take this geo ID, and forgive me that it's scrappy, but we have some config here that I define the parameters. So I put here UK and I put the keyword sales. Okay, so I ran the automation, and just to show you some of the logs, it scraped 40 jobs. In this case, I told it only to take 5 pages, and it also removed some of the duplicates. And now it got all the information related to these jobs. And now if we'll take a look, we have this simple application. We don't really need to have it, but let's take a look at the leads. We can see it visually, or it can all be automated. So in this case, these are not our target. Let's find something that is our target. Okay, so let's take this one for example. It's a software development company, 11 to 50 employees. We just click save. And again, this process can all be automated. Everything can be just from the scraping to saving to sending, just for the demo showing you how it works. I go to Airtable and I can see the company name, and I can see also the following things, pretty cool. So let's see what happened here. So first of all, as I said, we saved this to our Airtable. We got the CEO, we got the name of the CEO, we got the email of the CEO, and let's see what's the status of this email. We got it passed, and we also got the company about and all the information that I talked about. We also have this USP. Now then we jump to SmartLead, which is our sender who is gonna send this automatically. And again, all we do here is we set up the accounts that are gonna send, the schedule, the timing. We also set the script. So for example, I give it the example of this, a first name, so you are hiring this job position. USP, this one is an AI generated line. We'll take a look at this. This is some, case study or something, and some call to action. We go to final review, and let's see how it actually looks like. So, hey James, so you're hiring sales manager. Our lead nurturing service connects Furin with global. I guess we can add can connect Furin with global business and need to streamline. Here, to be honest, we can improve the AI to say it a bit shorter. We help this and this and this and that, and that's it. Looks pretty good. And again, if we go to SmartLead, we can set up a webhook for this specific campaign or for all our campaigns. We can then analyze it with ChatGPT, save it back to our system, and make sure that we are doing the right inbox management to get them on a call. And that's it. If you want a full explanation, step-by-step breakdown of how I built this system, step-by-step 7 steps that you can apply for your business, there is a link below. You can get the free guide and implement this for your business as well. If you want to see more videos about AI automation and automating lead generation for your business, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.